Guys, at Mortlake station level crossing in Surrey with AB Trains and UK Trains fan. Before I get to anything else, we have a plane up there. And I actually know its details. It's for 1645 British Airways flight from Edinburgh to London Heathrow. Alright then, back to the trains. And I'll tell you in a minute. Anyways, time now is 1645 on Monday the 29th of May 2017. And this is for your 1645 2 Uniform 49 Southwest train stops in London Waterloo to Windsor and Eton Riverside. And if we stay, we probably might be staying for our 1648 2 Charlie 50 Southwest train stops in Reading to London Waterloo.
No, we're going to couch out from the footbridge.
Might go up after the first one. Might even get it on the thing. Oh, here she is already.
We have a county to Stansted coming over in a minute.
That one up there. Got 458829. 507 to Windsor and Eton Riverside, and we've got another fly up there.
Athens to Heathrow.
What airline?
British Airways.
Alright, flying over now is your 1646 British Airways flight from Athens to London Heathrow. And it's an A320. And that's that flies over. We stay for a 1648 2 Charlie 50 Southwest train stops in Reading to London Waterloo.
What was that for?
1648 Reading to Waterloo. Stand well away from the edge of platform 1. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station. We've got another flight coming. To the Heathrow?
Yep. Here's the train.
Oh yeah, here she is. Also flying over to 1647 Aer Lingus flight from Dublin to London Heathrow. We've got 450 114. 123 to London Waterloo, and there you go. There's the flight. Guys, this video.